Hi everybody, thanks for joining us. My name is Eric Hansen. I'm the owner and CEO of True South Solar, and this is Lance Arioff, our supervising electrician and field manager here at True South Solar. And we are here to celebrate the Ashland Food Co-op's 197 kilowatt solar electric system that's going to produce 35% of their electricity. And one of the coolest things about this project is that we are 4 miles away from the Ashland Food Co-op at the Oak Tank and Steel building on Jefferson Street. And it's because of a very progressive solar policy that the city of Ashland has called virtual net metering, where we're able to create solar electricity at one site and account for it at another. So
the True South Solar commercial crew put 528 solar panels on the roof, which come down into these inverters. The inverters change the power from DC electric, which is produced on the roof, to AC electric, which feeds 250 amps through this new 400 amp service that we built into the city of Ashland electrical grid. Congratulations, Ashland Food Co-op. You are going live. Yeah!